Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being well equipped with popular features. Features also include heated seats, parking sensors, third row seating, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, come test drive the 2017 Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, power lift gate, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, keyless entry, traction control, stability control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth. Your new ride is just a phone call away.